What's up, everybody? It's Max Tapper, your favorite new construction realtor. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Your New Home with Max Tapper, where I take you on luxury home tours in new build communities in New York and New Jersey with the hopes of helping you find your new home. Today, we're at the Link at W Squared community in Princeton Junction, New Jersey. We'll be touring the Greenwich Luxury Townhome. It has 1,930 square feet of space, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a loft, encompasses 3 floors, and a 1-car garage. If you like this type of content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so you won't miss any new home tours. Let's go. And this is the entrance to your 1-car garage. At the moment of showing, it was being used by the builders for an office, but once it's finalized, it will be your 1-car garage and the exit to the back of your home. Well, what do you think? Comment below and let me know what your favorite room in this townhome is. If you enjoyed this tour, please like, share, and subscribe. Now, I'm going to take you guys on a little ride around the neighborhood, because this Link at W Square community has so much to offer. The Link at W Square community consists of luxury townhomes and condos by Pulte Homes and a luxury rental building by Avalon. As we take a ride through the community, I'll point everything out. Now what we're looking at straight ahead is a part of the Avalon luxury rental building. And the building coming up on the right is our luxury condominium building. Now I'm going to show you one of the most exciting things about living in this community, the Promenade. This is the Promenade. So these are going to be big stores, big, huge stores, restaurants, all type of shopping. So this is one of the coolest things about this area, but I tell you that you do not want to miss. If you live here at Link at W Square in Princeton, it's going to be an awesome community. You're going to get off right on the train over here. You'll be able to take the New Jersey Transit and one other train to be able to get off right there. This takes you straight to Manhattan. This takes you down to South Jersey, all different other locations. But you are in the prime location in Princeton, New Jersey. And this is what it's going to look like when it's all completed. The Promenade will be a shared space combining luxury living with high-end retail, shopping, and dining, mere feet away from the Princeton Junction, New Jersey Transit train station. Now let's continue our tour of the neighborhood. We're now at the back of the condominium building, and across from there, you'll see some additional townhomes. Now we're going to take a turn down this block, which shows us the garages, the balcony, and the back of the townhomes. We're also making a loop around, coming up Parker's Boulevard again. This is the block that houses the model home. This is the way you will enter and leave the community. If you like this type of content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so you won't miss any new home tours. Let's go. Well, thank you for joining me on this tour. I hope you enjoyed touring the Greenwich at Link at W Squared. Now, I'm going to take you on out of here. Follow me as I show you what it's like to exit the community.